we're gonna make our own homemade version of a concentrated coffee syrup. And because it is that time of year, we're gonna make a pumpkin spice coffee syrup. Now, keep in mind, you can make any flavor that you like, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But I've made it I've pre-made a sugar-free version, and we're going to work on the sugary version. So what I have here is 2 cups of granulated sugar that I have used 1 cup of very hot water, stirred it for several minutes, and then just let it kind of sit and dissolve into this beautiful syrup. Now this is what, if you were canning, you would call this a heavy syrup. And it is very sweet, but we're going to flavor it up, and we're going to turn this into a coffee syrup that you can use in your coffees, in your like iced coffees, in your lattes, in your cool beverages, and you can just enjoy that throughout the fall season. You can do it any time of year because, you know, at the big stores they are not available all year long. So this is 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of very hot water. You can put this on the stove and bring it to a simmer and let it cool, but my tap water is fiery hot from the depths of you-know-where, and I just put it in there and I stirred it for several minutes with a drink whisk, and I just let it sit, and it got nice and clear. So what I'm using today is the Watkins pumpkin spice extract, and I love the Watkins extracts. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me telling you what I like. And we're going to use a whole tablespoon of that in there. And then we're going to use a tablespoon of the Watkins baking vanilla. I use this, I buy this off of Amazon because it is very economical, very affordable. And this big bottle is about, I think it's $11. And you can go to the Watkins website also. They often have sales. But like I said,
imitation.
This is not imitation, but it's baking vanilla. So it has other ingredients in it that makes it stretch, but if you're going to use this in baking or whatever, I have found that it is wonderful. So we've got our syrup, we've got our pumpkin spice extract, we've got our vanilla extract. We're just going to stir it up. I can smell it. It smells really, really good. And there you have a delicious option. Now I'm going to make a cup of coffee with this, and I'm going to use the sugar-free version. And let me grab a coffee cup and we'll make a cup of coffee. Okay, let's make a cup of coffee. Today I'm using some vanilla coffee creamer. I'm going to put in my preferred amount. You could do that however you like. And I'm going to use some of this concentrated sugar-free coffee syrup. And I did the same exact thing with the sugar-free version, only I used Splenda. 2 cups of Splenda and 1 cup of water, and I mixed it all up until it was dissolved. And then we're just gonna fill up the coffee cup. And that's how I like my coffee. And that is how you make a delicious mug of coffee. I'm gonna give this a taste because I'm sure Rick doesn't like this flavor.
Taste it though.
That's really good. It's not overpowering, but you can definitely tell that it is a nice fall pumpkin spice flavor.
Yeah, it's subtle, but it's there.
But again, it's up to you. Do you want to add more pumpkin spice extract to your syrup? Then you go right ahead and do that. And you can make it as strong or as light as you prefer. So that's my version of a quick and easy coffee syrup. Keep in mind, you don't have to stick with pumpkin spice. You can make whatever flavor you like. Do you like caramel? You can get caramel extract. Do you like just plain vanilla? And you can just boost that up. You can get chocolate extract. There is no limit to the amount of different extracts that you can get, and they're available online and very easily available, I might add as well. So there you have it, my version of quick and easy coffee syrup, both sugar-free and sugary. I hope you give these a try, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.